everyone, it's Monday and happy March to all of you. So, for today's Amazon recap, we got a total of 49 deals, 41 coming from Amazon online, and then 8 coming from our Amazon retail arbitrage. So, let's check some samples from our online arbitrage leads. There you go. We could check here from All Beauty, Jane Iredale Pure Pressed Base Powder, which you could earn a profit of 5.47 with an ROI of 29%. And the second one, another Jane Iredale with a different category, Black Eyes Mascara, you could earn a profit of 4.89 with an ROI of 31%. So good find for our first website. And we got a lot of other options for you guys to check. So check them all out because we got great deals and finds for you today. For a retail arbitrage, here are the websites that you should check. There you go, 2 websites for a retail arbitrage. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you these channels. On the left side of your screen, you can see here the free extra money channels with 4 options. Review giveaways, affiliate income, job opportunities, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested to earn free extra money for us, feel free guys to check all these channels out. Of course, we got you some bot operated channels, which is the Amazon to Amazon monitoring or A to A flips. I know you guys are already familiar with it, so you can buy and sell something from Amazon itself. There you go. So if you're into flipping, check this channel out because they are updated daily. Speaking of bot operated channel, another one is this price drop monitoring wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drops of these websites. So let's check this one from Argos. 25 newly upload deals, 50% price drop, 57. Mostly are ranging from 50% price drop. So check this one out, guys, because price drops are easily to be out of stock as well. So if you've seen this notification, feel free to check this instantly. And lastly, our general and Amazon community wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a nice day ahead. Bye, everyone.